How are you?
Very good morning. I'm great. Thank you for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Yeah, it's going very good. Just I finished my all house chores.
Great.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to know about you because I know about you everything, but for my subscribers, yeah.
Yeah, no issues. Gladly. As you know that my name is Rekha Sharma and I hail from Uttarakhand called Devbhoomi, and currently I'm living in Faridabad. Before that I was living in Delhi, and if you talk about my education qualification, I'm BCom B8 seated qualified from Delhi only, and my hobbies are yoga, meditation, and if you talk about my family, I have a small nuclear family with living with three beautiful soul husband, and I have a twins baby. Both are in second standard, 7 years old. That's me. Thank you.
Yeah, when you say thank you, so I love this thing. Yeah. Okay. So today, yeah, my topic is how to think in English because every learner and face this issue whenever we start learning this language. So face this issue how we think in English. It's very difficult. So yeah, you tell something. So it's
Yes,
easy
yes.
for everyone.
If you want to be a good communicator and if you want to be a good native speaker, it's very important. And thinking and creating your own environment is play a very significant role in to be a good native speaker. First of all, I don't know how to start. Because I don't know what people are saying. It's just that I have my own experience, and that I would like to share with you, if you please allow.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I want
You
to
know,
know. Mhm.
Yeah, of course. So, my first point is actually what I did with me always, and I'm doing it right now also, and always, continue with it.
Uh-huh. Yes,
So,
yes.
my point is always think in English. First of all, just take only one word.
Okay.
Instead of going to or instead of jumping to the long sentences, think of a word,
Mhm.
only a one word. For example, like I have this case, this is facts case. So you just start making a
Yes.
framing sentence on that. A simple facts box case, whatever you just named it. Just frame the
Mhm.
sentence on that only. First point is this. And second point,
Okay.
so create and try to imagine your own scenario. I mean to say,
Yes, yes.
in the sense, any incident, any incident. It may be a hanging with your friend, or it may be a picnic, it may be anything, and it may be
Yes.
a fight also. Anything, just create your own imaginary scenario.
Yes,
What
yes.
will happen with that? When you will create your own imaginary scenario, you will learn
Mhm.
two things. First, you will
Thing.
start framing the sentences, and that
Yes.
and first you start with the start making a sentences, framing the sentence. And second hand, gradually you will learn the grammar also, because
That's
incident
also.
incident is full of sentence, is full of tenses, sorry. Incident
Yes.
and scenario is a full of tenses. It may be present, past, future. So gradually you will learn the grammar also, because most of the people are asking me, ma'am, how do we learn the grammar? Because grammar is a very important. But what I believe, you have to first improve your skills. You have to work on your skills.
Yes.
That's important. And
Yeah.
always try to keep talking with yourself whenever you
Yes.
are alone at your home, because when you are alone, that is your best part. That is your best friend. That time you are a best friend of yours. So start talking with yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So everyone say like every tutor say some means not every someone say 15 minutes, 13-minute day. So that's enough for day.
No, I will not say, because this is not enough for them, because consisting is a very
Consistency.
important. Yes, is plays a very significant role, because you have to keep on thinking, you have to keep on asking, you have to keep on speaking with yourself. 15 and
Yes.
30 minutes not more than enough.
Yes, because
Long
when you touch every time, like every time, means what are you doing? You only think in English. Like I am ruffling my hair. So yeah, I am ruffling my hair.
Yes, yes, that's what
Yeah,
I'm telling. So I wanted to explain you, whatever the word is coming, whatever the sentence is, whatever the incident is going on, just start making sentences.
sentences, and don't think about, yeah, I am doing mistakes, so oh my god, I see, whenever I see, so speak, so current, no, correct sentence, no, it means how you think you speak in your mind, and everyone also, yeah. Yeah, that's very
Indeed,
good.
indeed. If you will think that I am speaking in a wrong and I will not be able, I'm hesitating, I'm afraid. No, it's not like that. These all kind of excuses, you know. You have to start
Yeah.
your journey from anywhere. If you really
Yes.
want communication, you have to start your journey right now without thinking that what the people are saying.
Yeah. Yeah, same I did. Means I not learned grammar that time I speak. So yeah, same thing I did. Uh-huh.
Grammar, you will not learn. Grammar is a, you know, it's a very puzzle kind of a thing. You will not learn at that time. First you have to
Yeah.
improve your listening skills, you know. Listening, say what will happen with the listening, you will gradually know that what is present, what is past, what is future tense, and you will
Yes.
automatically learn the grammar. You will realize that, oh my god, I learned the grammar. How it come?
So yeah, same incident I felt, because I not know how I learn grammar. Yeah, gradually I learn, and still I am learning. I am learning phrase, but yeah, it's very
Yes,
easy.
you know,
Huh.
you can start with this journey with the phrases. Phrases means short sentences. That what I'm
Hmm.
telling you. Start making a small sentences. You gradually you will learn it the log. Why should we jump for the advanced first? First you learn basic, then you will jump to the advanced one.
Yes. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, so one question I have. What would you change about yourself, if you could?
That's a very tricky, you know. You know, I love myself and I don't want to be changed myself because I'm a very happy person and I love to be like that only. And I don't want to change. I don't feel, you know, and nobody is perfect in this world. So am I. I'm also not perfect, but I accept myself what I am. So I love it.
Yeah,
Love to be like
yeah.
that.
Wow. That's a very good thing, you know?
I wanted to ask you that how do you improving your English by taking the session only, or apart from that, you are doing anything else? Or
Yeah, actually, first thing I am teaching my kids, and he is third standard, so all grammar and new words, lots of vocabs I learn also there. And I am taking like this session. Apart from, I talking with my family member, like my sisters, and my friends. So whenever I try to talk in English, and nothing else. Yeah, sometimes I listening is very important. So like whenever I edit, like when I after taking this session, I edit this video, so I choose what you new word you spoke, so I try to next time I use my conversation. Yeah, that's it. But I want to touch in English, means every time whenever I do anything, so I means whenever I speak in my mind, so I speak only in English.
you know,
So yeah.
yes, I wanted to convey one more thing. Like you are a homemaker, I'm also a homemaker. You know, yes, we have a lot of responsibility, of course, no doubt at all. But you know, we have lot of situation around us when we can talk in English, when we can frame the sentences. We have a lot of opportunity in homes because we are indulging ourselves lot of work, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yeah,
we
so
have
whenever I do anything I do, so I try to speak English, means I speak English, nowadays it's make my habit. I not speak Hindi in my mind.
that's great.
Yeah,
That's great. That's great.
yeah,
This is, you know, this is the first step. You are going in a
yeah,
right track. I want to tell you, you are going in a right track, dear. No need to worry
yeah.
about it. Definitely, you will improve, and I know that.
Yeah, I believe myself. I learn gradually. When I are not able to speak, so if I reached here, so
Mhm.
definitely I be fluent. Before 5 year, I never thought about speaking. Never thought I able to speak. So yeah, now I'm speaking. So yeah, I'm very happy about myself, and yeah, I learned gradually. I know.
So, as you said that you are not, you know, not speaking in English 5 years ago, but now you are learning. You are, you know, sitting in front of me. That's great. That's commendable. But who motivate you to learn this language? Any specific reason?
When I started learning, so my kids faced problem lot of when went to school and his teacher speak English, so he not understand. One video I seen, what name this girl, Siege Wonder Girl.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that
Wonder Girl, she knows very accent.
Janvi Pawar, I think.
Janvi Pawar. His father did lots of hard work for her. I think, why I not try, means, if I try, so that's time I started little sentences, and I motivated myself. Yeah, I try, like I make a environment to my kids. Yeah, that's why. So first I started how teacher talk with their children in class. So close your books, open your notebook, or means like these sentences I speak with my kids. So yeah, gradually I started speaking, so I learned everything.
Yes, every human being has a specific quality, like you, like me, everybody has a specific quality. It just need to that you have to recognize it, you have to identify it, and then explore it and give your 100%, give your full efforts for that. Definitely you will achieve that. That's what I believe.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much for having me. Yeah, I am very happy again talk with you.
Anytime you wanted to talk me again, you can connect with me anytime. I'm here for you, for helping you as much as the best of my knowledge I can help you.